Locked out of your Gusto account and can't access Payroll? Learn how to reset your password in under 2 minutes. First, we'll go to the sign-in page, then I'll show you the password reset flow, and finally, how to get signed back in. Start by opening the Gusto website in your browser. Once it loads, type your email address into the sign-in field. Then click Continue to proceed. Now, click on the Forgot Password link to reset your password. You'll be asked to enter your email again, so go ahead and type it in. Then click Send Link to have a reset link emailed to you. Next, click on the New Password field. Type your new password there. Then type it again to confirm. Click Continue to submit your new password. Finally, click Sign In to get back into your account, and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.